The search for potentially habitable planets outside our solar system is a key area of study in astrobiology and astronomy. These planets are often referred to as exoplanets, and scientists are particularly interested in those that are in the habitable zone of their parent stars, where conditions might be right for liquid water to exist, which is essential for life as we know it. Here are some key categories and specific exoplanets that scientists are excited about for potential habitability. 1. The habitable zone. The habitable zone, also called the Goldilocks zone, is the region around a star where conditions are just right for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface, not too hot, not too cold. This makes planets in this zone prime candidates for finding life. 1. Proxima Centauri b, closest exoplanet to Earth. Located 4.2 light-years away in the Proxima Centauri system, this planet is in the habitable zone of its red dwarf star. Its size is similar to Earth's, and it may have liquid water, but its star is prone to intense solar flares that could pose challenges for life. 2. Kepler 452b, Earth's cousin. Discovered by NASA's Kepler mission, Kepler 452b is about 1,400 light-years away in the constellation Cygnus. It is about 60% larger than Earth and orbits a star similar to our Sun. It's in the habitable zone, though its size suggests it may have a thicker atmosphere or be a super-Earth, which could affect its habitability. 3. TRAPPIST-1 system. This system contains 7 Earth-sized planets orbiting a red dwarf star about 40 light-years away in the constellation Aquarius. At least 3 of these planets are in the star's habitable zone, raising the possibility of liquid water on their surfaces. TRAPPIST-1d, in particular, is considered one of the most promising candidates for habitability. 2. Super-Earth. Super-Earths are exoplanets that are larger than Earth but smaller than Uranus and Neptune. Many of them lie in the habitable zone of their stars, making them attractive candidates for life. 1. LHS 1140b. This exoplanet is located about 40 light-years away and is roughly 1.4 times the size of Earth. It's located in the habitable zone of its red dwarf star, and its dense atmosphere could potentially support liquid water. 2. Ross 128b. This is a rocky planet orbiting a red dwarf star located about 11 light-years away. It's in the habitable zone and has a similar size to Earth, with potential conditions for life. 3. Moons of gas giant. Some of the moons of gas giants in other star systems could potentially support life, especially if they have subsurface oceans or other conditions conducive to life. 1. Europa, moon of Jupiter. While not an exoplanet, Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, is one of the top places we think could support life within our solar system. It has an icy surface and a subsurface ocean beneath, kept warm by tidal heating from Jupiter's gravity. Scientists speculate that it could harbor microbial life. 2. Enceladus, moon of Saturn. Similar to Europa, Enceladus has an icy surface, with geysers shooting out water vapor and organic compounds. Its subsurface ocean could be a habitat for life. 4. Exoplanets in star systems similar to ours. Stars that are similar to our Sun could potentially have Earth-like planets in the habitable zone, offering conditions for life. 1. Alpha Centauri A and B. These are two stars in the Alpha Centauri system, the closest star system to Earth, 4.37 light-years away. Alpha Centauri A is a Sun-like star, and several exoplanets have been found orbiting these stars. However, none of them are in the habitable zone as of now. 2. Tau Ceti E. Tau Ceti is a star about 11.9 light-years away. It is somewhat similar to our Sun and has a planet in its habitable zone, Tau Ceti E, though it's uncertain whether it has the right conditions for life. 5. Potential problems for habitability. While some of these exoplanets seem promising, there are several factors that could complicate their habitability. 1. Radiation. Red dwarf stars, which many habitable exoplanets orbit, often emit strong flares that could strip away the atmosphere of planets in close proximity, making it difficult for life to survive. 2. Atmospheric composition. A planet may be in the habitable zone, but without a thick enough atmosphere to regulate temperature or protect life from radiation, it might not be suitable for humans. 3. Distance. Many of the exoplanets discovered so far are extremely far away, hundreds of light-years, making them impractical for human exploration or colonization with current technology. 6. Future missions and technology. Scientists continue to refine their methods for finding habitable exoplanets. Upcoming missions, like the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, will provide more data about the atmospheres of exoplanets, helping us understand which ones might be capable of supporting life. In short, there are many exoplanets that could potentially support life, but it's a complex equation of distance, radiation, size, atmosphere, and star type. The search is still ongoing, and the discovery of a truly Earth-like planet suitable for human habitation would be groundbreaking.